Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now by clearing passages. Gently blow one nostril at a time to avoid pressure damage because forceful blowing can push mucus back. Once clearer, use a saline spray, 1 to 2 sprays per nostril, to thin secretions. This helps cilia move mucus out. Then inhale warm steam for 5 to 10 minutes, covering your head with a towel to trap vapor. These steps reduce congestion quickly and set up the nose for the next, longer-lasting interventions. Once you've thinned and cleared mucus, perform a nasal rinse using sterile saline in a neti pot or squeeze bottle. Tilt your head and let gravity move solution through. This flushes allergens, debris, and excess mucus, so it reduces recurrence. Apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or nasal moisturizing gel inside your nostrils before bed to prevent dryness and irritation, which trigger drip. If symptoms persist, you may add an oral antihistamine or short-term decongestant for 24 to 48 hours. To complete the process, keep ambient humidity at 40 to 50% with a humidifier so mucus stays mobile, and drink fluids to thin secretions systemically. Make sure to rest head elevated when sleeping to reduce postnasal drip. If you encounter nosebleeds, stop rinses, pinch the soft part of the nose for 10 minutes, and avoid heavy nose blowing. Seek medical care if bleeding is heavy. If fever, severe facial pain, or symptoms last more than 10 days,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.